Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mine BTC token. Now this is a very brand new token here that is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 10th, on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on the Mine BTC token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, their webpage is listed on here. It is at minebtc.rwadpin.io. Now this is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. Mine BTC, all one word, is the ticker symbol, and then Mine space BTC is the name of the token. 18 decimal places on this token, and they have a total supply, a max total supply, of 11 million tokens. Now, this token, it was just announced. It will be listed here. It says Mine BTC, the first tokenized BTC mining land, fully backed by hydro-powered Bitcoin mining farm, is coming to Mexc Global February 10th at 10 a.m. UTC time. So if you are looking to get this token here and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and search Mine BTC, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. Now it says Bitcoin mining from home, easy, blue verified checkmark, 10 tweets so far. You can find their Twitter in the corner of the screen here at Mine_BTC_. Own digital mining land and earn Bitcoin passively. Mine BTC is the first tokenized BTC mining land, fully backed by hydro-powered Bitcoin mining farm. Their Twitter just joined February 2025, so it is a very, very brand new project. 145 Twitter followers already, 10 tweets, blue verified checkmark. And speaking of which, I just made a Twitter a couple days ago for this channel. If you guys want to follow me on X, I just made a Twitter and put the link down there in the description box for the X. So check that out. Give me a follow on X. If you want to reach out, shoot me a message on there, you can. And check out my daily crypto tweets. And there's going to be a lot of different stuff that on that Twitter than what I post on this channel. So if you want to see more info on crypto updates and things like that, check me out on X down there. Now, in their most recent tweet here on Mine BTC, 4 hours ago, they posted that they just submitted an application for CoinGecko. So they will be listed on CoinGecko soon. Now, maybe they're also going to apply for CoinMarketCap. Now, when this token goes live tomorrow on Mexc, most likely it'll also go live on PancakeSwap. You'll probably be able to get it over there as well. And the charts will be on places like Dex Tools, Dex Screener, PooCoin, and then pretty soon CoinGecko and maybe CoinMarketCap. But if you wanted to get the token in a decentralized way, I'm sure they're going to announce eventually, since it's a Binance Smart Chain token, that they will go over to PancakeSwap. I'm not sure if they are doing that yet, but if you don't want to use a central exchange, eventually you'll be able to fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with BSC. Go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then trade your BSC for this token using the contract address you'll be able to find on their BSC scan. You'll just have to check to see if there is a pool available on there. And looks like they had a sale, like a pre-sale or something here, because according to their BSC scan, it said 99 holders so far. And it says there's a tweet from RWA DPIN Protocol on Twitter, which is at RWA DPIN. And they say here that the Mine BTC token sold out. The sale was officially sold out, and we couldn't be more grateful. The participation was massive with an overwhelming number of registrations. It was insane. Huge thanks to everyone who joined. Verify all the details here. So they have a DBank profile that you could check out where they had, it looks like they had a some sort of pre-sale there, IDO, whatever you want to call it. And going on today, a day prior to the listing on Mexc Global, there is a Kickstarter event available where you can vote with MX tokens, which is Mexc Global's token. So if you have an Mexc Global account, you could vote with MX tokens to get involved with this Kickstarter event and potentially win massive airdrops. And there is a total reward pool available of 60,000 USDT up for grabs. So check that out on Mexc. And, so it says, yeah, only 100 winners will have access to purchase this pre-sale that happened on DBank there. And so, yeah, they basically had a certain market or a certain cap that they could contribute. They couldn't contribute over 1,000 USDT, and that is to, make sure there's no giant whales or anything like that. And that is why it said 99 holders, because there was only 100 people that won access to get involved with the first pre-sale. And so that happened, and then now the official listing is starting tomorrow. Now, if you go over to their webpage, minebtc.rwadpin.io, that's when you can that's where you could actually use the mining, use the platform basically. So they have a portfolio. They have a transaction section. You can connect your wallet. So there's different things you can click on, like they have here the research workshop where you can mine between 1 to 1,000 tokens, and then they have one where you can mine between 1,000 and 1 to 2,000. The rig reactors even more, so it goes up and up and up. And there's 8 different ones you can click on, and the final one is called the Satoshi's Vault. So it's a pretty cool web page you could check out there and try to use the platform. You can check out the transaction part isn't available yet. I don't know if you could actually use this platform yet, but it looks like it's in the works. And you could go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.